Remember the time when I thought it was a good idea to chop off half of my firewall? So now we have to make it back. So
that's a good one!
Yeah, 1 mil steel, cut to shape, made a little template out of cardboard, and yeah, should be good. It's definitely not the prettiest of welds in places. I have no idea, what is it with old metal, sheet metal, 0.8 mil, and when you weld it to the new one, it just wants to spit or blow holes. Whatever settings I've tried, I have no idea, it doesn't seem to work. If you know the answer to this question, please do leave me a comment below, and maybe you can suggest me some settings. I've tried everything, literally for like 1 hour I've been trying on some scrap pieces, and I don't know. Anyways, I think overall it looks alright. I mean, it's gonna be covered with another layer of shielding, and we should be good to go. Everything fits. I mean, those are okay, but that's new metal to new metal. Where it comes to the old one, it just wants to speed. I mean, it's alright. The main reason why I wanted to do this is because I have my fuel lines coming from here, and I didn't want to trust just a single layer of shielding. Let's have a look. Let's see if all my modifications made it.
20 minutes later.
Perfect! If it's your first time to my channel and you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Click that bell icon so you don't miss anything.
That's a good one!
What can I tell you guys? One really good advice I can give you right now: never ask for any advice on car group forums or WhatsApp groups or Facebook, because all you're gonna get is, oh yeah, you should have done it like this. Anyways, I'm a member of one of the WhatsApp groups, Russian Clio guys and stuff like that, and I think I told you this before, but one of them said you need to remake the engine mounts. The original ones made out of aluminium are no good, they can crack and blah 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 blah. So here I am, remaking my engine mounts. So here's one of them that we need to remake. It's gonna be this one as well, and also we need another gearbox mount. Well, not really gearbox, but the secondary one going from here onto these mounting points onto the gearbox. Shamelessly, I'm planning to steal pure motorsport design. I hope they don't mind this one. I mean, to me it looks simple enough. A couple plates, the bushings. I actually got the bushings already, and yeah, it's not patented, so why not? Five mil steel for the base and for the top. This is the bracket that came with the box. This is parallel, as in horizontal. Nice and horizontal. The bushing will be like this on the top. Two mounting for this, two mounting for that, and then it will slot, obviously all weld around. Some reinforcement plate here and pick up on this side. I'll trim some of the sides so it's not as jugular and massive, and yeah, paint it and it will be sexy to go. Alright, so this is what I end up with. Quite a simple bracket with a really hard Black Series polyurethane Powerflex bushing. This one is for the gearbox. 3 mounting points, stock O2M mounting points. And this bracket is to attach to the chassis. Again, I've used 3 mounting points as it's on a stock Clio. It's 5 mil steel. Next step would be to paint it, but I think it's plenty strong.